Welcome to Melodies of Flavors, where global cuisine meets your kitchen. Today, we're making omurice, a beloved Japanese comfort food that combines savory fried rice with a soft omelet. For the full list of ingredients and detailed instructions, please check the description below. Let's get cooking. First, we'll prepare our ingredients. Chop 1 to 3 of a red bell pepper, 1 to 3 of a green bell pepper, half an onion, a few green onions, and half a carrot into fine pieces. These colorful veggies will add not just flavor, but also a vibrant look to our dish. And don't forget, you'll need 2 cloves of garlic finely minced for that aromatic kick. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl and beat them until smooth. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste, enriching the egg's flavor. This seasoned mix will create a rich, silky omelet that perfectly complements the fried rice. Heat a bit of oil in a pan and add 150 grams of ground meat. You can use chicken or pork, based on your preference. Once it starts to brown, add in your chopped veggies and garlic, and stir-fry them on high heat. The goal is to get them slightly tender, but still with a bit of a crunch. Now it's time to bring in 2 cups of cooked rice. Make sure it's cooled down so it fries up nicely, getting that perfect texture that's both fluffy and a bit crispy. For that umami flavor, we're adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Mix everything well until the rice is evenly coated and has taken on a beautiful golden color. In another pan, heat some oil and pour in the beaten eggs to make a thin omelet. Once it's cooked but still a bit runny on top, it's ready. To serve, place a generous portion of the fried rice on a plate and carefully lay the omelet over the top. Here's your delicious omurice, a feast for both taste and sight, ready to enjoy. Please subscribe and like for more recipes. Thanks for joining Melodies of Flavors. See you next time.